You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Let's go.
So, first hike of the season. We've been in big cities visiting friends. Now we're in the Poconos for about 10 days. And we're going hiking today. And we're going to
Mount Minsi Trail.
Mount Minsi Trail.
By the Delaware Gap.
By the Delaware Gap. Here we go. We love this app, the All Trails app. It works great. You can see right there where we're at. We're doing this 5.5 mile loop, but it's great because we tend to not get lost when we have this. But it's a great app. We really enjoy this.
And it gives people give ratings about the trail and just their input about the hike. So it gives us a great heads up for.
Yeah, actually, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you on the bottom of the video to the All Trails app. The free one gets you the basic stuff, but then the paid one, which I don't think is expensive, I think it's maybe $30 a year, you can download the maps and you don't have to worry about not having GPS and all that other stuff. So I will go ahead and put a link underneath. Make sure you bring a lot of bug spray because they are everywhere.
But the Skin So Soft seems to be working. Which is
Skin So Soft.
Which is better than pesticides.
So we made it to the top of Mount Minsi, which is part of the Appalachian Trail here in the Poconos in PA, right? Yeah, in Pennsylvania. And that is the Delaware River. At least that's my understanding. See the Delaware River right there? All right, so we're at Bushkill Falls. They call it the Niagara of Pennsylvania. There's what? How many?
8 falls.
8
falls right in this area, which is beautiful.
It is. It's really, really family oriented. Unfortunately, to hike here, you have to pay $16 a person. So that's kind of steep, but it's different. It's a pretty place. You know, a lot of people. So we're enjoying it.
Yeah,
it's kind of nice. It's
hike.
Different.
Yeah,
it's
a lot
different.
of pretty waterfalls.
Not that I would pay for hiking on a very often
Yeah,
basis.
but how many hikes do you get to see 8 waterfalls in one hike, so it's kind of
Well,
nice.
yeah, they're out there, but you know, it's not bad. It's like a 2.5 mile, and it's really paved well with steps and boardwalks and stuff. So you can still get a good workout. It's about a 3-mile hike, but it's nice. It's well worth it. You guys need to check it out.
Okay. The birdies.
We're resting on a bench.
Listening to the birds.
We're in the wood, listening to the birds,
Trying to see them, but we're not seeing them. Birdies.
sitting on a bench.
Without your without your heartbeat, how will I cope? Without your without your without your heartbeat, how will I cope? Without your with your hand on your heart, oh please tell me where I go.
We're out. We made it. We're out.
Yeah, at least 8 to 10 pounds.
I was going to get a Stairmaster workout today. That's a pretty view for a Stairmaster workout. When All Trail said it was hard, it is hard, but you just take your time and rest in between and sweat a lot and get a good workout, and it don't matter. We can do this. I love my wife. She stops, talks to people, gets to know people on the trail. I'm so selfish. I'm just self-centered, looking down, going up, and sweating a lot. I need to learn from her to be friendly to people on the trail. I love you, babe. I made it.
It is? This is it?
Tammany. It was about a mile and a half. It took us about
An hour and a half.
an hour and a half, but we
It
went
was
up.
rough.
We went up what, 1,200 feet?
Yeah, 1,200
Elevation
feet.
change was like 1,200 feet, and
Rocks, rocks, and more rocks.
Rocksylvania, as our friend Ting said. Oh, I didn't tell you about Ting. We were hiking the beginning of the week. We were part of the Appalachian Trail, and he's doing the whole trail. Actually, I'll leave a link up here and down in the descriptions below of a video conversation that we had. He just stopped and talked to us and shared his story with us. So Ting called it Rocksylvania, and that's what it is. There's a lot of rocks and hikes here in Pennsylvania.
Yeah,
But it's been beautiful, and the weather today is fantastic.
very nice.
We're getting a workout. It's like a Stairmaster workout.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy 4th of July. So I wanted to ask you something. This whole video, we've been doing the videos of the Poconos and all the different hikes and all the different things that we're doing. Been doing a little bit of everything, or a little bit of video about everything and every place that we've been to. Would you rather have that, or our viewers, would you rather have independent trail hikes where I would just do a small, short 3 to 5 minute video on a specific hike? Or would you rather have a 15 or 20 minute video on our week and the things that we do in the whole week? So please, on the comments, let us know, do you like the longer videos with just a little bit of everything that's gone on during the week? Or would you rather have shorter videos, anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, on the specific things that we're doing that day, whether it's a trail or an amusement or an attraction or something within our travels? Alrighty.
Would you rather have short questions or long questions? That was
I
a
love
very
my
long
wife.
question.
That was a long question.
Yes, it was,
I just
honey.
made the video a lot longer,
Yes,
didn't
you
it?
did.
Okay. All right. That's why I keep her around.